So yesterday I was in a short reversal and I actually got out of that trade at break even. That was the trade on the 25th that we've already gone through. But I did have a trade, it was this one here. And I actually got out of this one at break even just because on the daily time frame it is very bullish into this area. So I'm just battling against a lot of bullish pressure into this area. So we have the daily supply here, and basically I'm just going to be buying until price switches on the 30-minute to bearish, and then that will confirm the reversal has started. So currently now, this is the daily POI, but we've grabbed a load of orders in here and the daily candle didn't close bearish. It closed more of a doji, so it was more indecisive, but we've still got a lot of bullish pressure coming into it. So I'm happy to keep buying into this area until structure shifts bearish. So we're still bullish. So the only POI really, we've got a POI here and we got a POI here. And I do like these ones because it's very tight. When price is very tight and we have, the daily candle was printing bullish at the moment, we could just get a nice sweep of this session low here into this POI, and then it can just go. So yeah, changing my bias coming through this week, end of this week, because just of what the daily time frame's doing. We've mitigated this supply, we've grabbed the orders, it's pushed down, but now the orders in there weren't strong enough to keep it going bearish. And I actually wouldn't be looking to sell now until price shifts on the 30-minute. So because of that, I'm going to still be buying. I'm going to start to be buying now, and this is my POI just here. So we'll see if we get a valid entry here at market open, and let's just check if there's news today. No news today either, so that's good. So yeah, these are my two POIs that we have today. Also, what I'm going to be doing is when price mitigates this area, if I get a valid entry, I'll be looking at the daytime frames as well, because if the daily is printing still bullish and it's looking really strong, that's even more confirmation for us to buy. So yeah, that's it for Germany 40. These are my two POIs for this morning.